Instagram has finally added the option to repost someone else's story without being tagged in it. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to repost any public story on Instagram. Now let's get started. To repost someone else's story on Instagram, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then open Instagram and find the story you want to repost. Tap the share icon at the bottom. Then tap Add to Story. A new story post will be drafted for you, where you can edit and customize it as you normally would. You can tap the story you're sharing to make it fill the whole screen. Add text and stickers if you like. Then tap Your Story to post it. The original creator will be notified that you've reposted their story. When your friends view your repost, they can tap the screen to open the original story post you've shared. That's all it takes to repost any public story on Instagram. Want to repost a reel or feed post? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.